Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll tell you how to remove green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here I've already imported two videos. One is the normal video and other one is the green screen video which holds a like button. So first of all I will drop this video here and I will drop this green screen video here. So if I will play this video now, first of all I shall set audio gain to 0 so that it doesn't cause any hindrance here. So if I'll run this video, then it will show a green screen along with the like button, as you can see. So our task is to remove this green screen from this video so as it should look interactive to the user. So what you have to do is you have to go to effects and search here key. Now scroll down, you will find a ultra key option here. In some versions of Premiere Pro you may also find chroma key. The thing is same, you have to pick this ultra key and drop it on this video. Now scroll down here and from here in effects control you have to select this dropper and tap it here. Boom, our green screen is removed, successfully removed, just like my girlfriend. Now if I will play this video now, then you will see a video of like button with a parish green screen. So make sure to like this video. Bye. Peace out.